Debt funds have outperformed equities not once or twice but multiple times over the last 15 years. And this is exactly what we are unfolding for you today. 2011. A brutal year for the Indian economy. Inflation shot up 9 to 10%, forcing the Reserve Bank of India to hike repo rates repeatedly. Higher rates meant costlier loans, squeezed corporate profits, slower growth, and the result? Nifty 50 crashed 25% in 2011. But how did debt funds still win? Here's the twist. Even while hiking rates, RBI pumped liquidity into the system, buying bonds via open market operations and cutting CRR. As equities bled red, investors moved towards safer debt funds. Bond prices rose, NAVs climbed, and debt funds comfortably beat equities. Year 2015, another tough year. Global markets were shaken, China devalued its currency. Foreign investors pulled money out of Indian markets amid fears of a US Fed rate hike. And banking stocks were hit after the RBI's cleanup drive. The result? The Nifty 50 ended 2015 down 5%. And once again, debt funds outperformed equities. Why? In 2015, the RBI cut repo rates multiple times. New bonds started offering lower interest. That made existing high interest bonds more valuable. Bond prices rose, debt funds NAVs went up. Same story again. Equities struggled, debt funds outperformed. Next up, year 2022. Unlike 2011 and 2015, equities didn't crash. They just went nowhere. Foreign investors pulled money out again, repo rates were hiked aggressively, and global shocks like the Russia-Ukraine war pushed inflation higher. IT stocks fell sharply, dragging equity funds down. By year-end, the Nifty 50 finished almost flat, up just 2.7%. Debt funds, however, did better. Why? As interest rates rose, fund managers reinvested into newer, higher yield bonds. And unlike equities, debt funds stayed largely insulated from foreign sell-off. Once again, same outcome. Equities struggled, debt funds edged ahead. Now, different years, different prices, same lesson. One asset class doesn't work across cycles. Debt adds balance when equities don't perform. Smart investors prepare, they never predict. Keep following Fixed Returns Academy by Grip Invest for more simple investing insights.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.